Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well today. So today we're going to be going over one of my favorite exercises, the half kneeling unilateral landmine press. Now this exercise isn't just great for shoulder strength and stability, but also getting some great shoulder mobility involved. It can be used in a multitude of different ways, and also it works anti-lateral flexion or core strength. Now most gyms should have a T-bar row machine already present, but if it does not, simply put a barbell in the corner of the room. You can even load down the barbell by putting some plates or some weights on top of it. Next, you're going to have one knee down and one leg up. Make sure that your up knee is directly over your ankle, so you're at a nice 90-degree angle, and you're engaging your core throughout the duration of the exercise. You're going to allow the barbell to come down, where you'll retract the shoulder blade, and then with great force, exhale and push the weight up. You can also alternate with your other shoulder blade, bringing it up and then retracting as you perform the rep on the opposite side with the load. Now, I would start off really light with this exercise using just the barbell and eventually progress to maybe even using some power movement, so driving the barbell up with the intent of as much force as possible. This is a great beginner shoulder exercise, so I suggest you all to try this out and let me know if you have any questions on it.